Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. Should I wait for a new compact iPhone? Until the first Apple presentation in 2019, there are only a few hours left. And the closer the presentation becomes, the more questions from users come about the possible release of the iPhone SE2. This material told about whether to wait for a new compact Apple smartphone at the March 25th presentation or not. iPhone SE2, will it be released on March 25th or not? There are really a lot of questions about the possible release of iPhone SE2 at today's presentation. We are asked about this in a group on vContacti, our general chat on Viber and even via email. In other words, many users have real hope for the imminent release of iPhone SE2. iPhone SE2 at the March 25th presentation. Unfortunately, there's no need to hope for iPhone SE2 to come out at the March 25th presentation. There is no proven information about the possible release of the new compact Apple smartphone. All leading analysts and insiders are silent. And they are silent for many months. This indicates that Apple does not plan to release iPhone SE2 at all, even in the future. However, today we confine ourselves to the following conclusion: the iPhone SE2 should not be on the presentation on March 25th. Moreover, taking into account the flow of new Apple products last week, there should not be any hardware innovations at the March 25th presentation. It is expected that the presentation will be entirely devoted to new services. Thus, if you are waiting for the iPhone SE2, then it is better not to tune into its release on March 25th. There are no direct hints at this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.